Lawyers, buckle up. Turbocharge your SEO rankings. Hardworking lawyers, I know the legal world is demanding and your time is precious. Today's tip is designed to give your online presence a turbo boost without eating up your schedule. Ever wish your firm could stand out effortlessly? Well, buckle up. Today's tip, turbocharge your SEO ranking. Tip, embrace keywords. Use the obvious keywords about your practice area and geography, as well as long-tail keywords that are specifically geared towards certain kinds of cases. Incorporate them naturally into your content. Regularly update your website and Google Maps with fresh, relevant content, and watch your SEO soar. Ready to transform your online game? Reach out to me, Mary at GoMediaMarketing.com, and let's elevate your practice together.